Welcome to this AutoCut tutorial. Today, we're gonna learn how to use AutoCut Repeat. Start by opening Premiere Pro, then go to Window, Extensions, AutoCut, and select AutoCut Repeat. Define the section you want to analyze. If you're working with a lot of tracks, you can use this button to quickly unselect them all. Choose your language, then click Generate Transcript. Next, review the repetitions. AutoCut detected. Add or remove any segments if needed. You can also preview your video with or without the removed parts, depending on what you want to check.
We keep coming back to the same thoughts, the same doubts, the same hesitations, and don't even notice it most of the time. We say we've changed, but have we?
Once everything looks good, click Cut Sequence. And that's it!
The same hesitations, and we don't even notice it most of the time.
Don't forget that AutoCut provides a 14-day free trial, no credit card required,